Hi friends, now I am going to show some animals. Here we can see the animal gathering the animals. Here are two hulks, they are two brothers and one supervisor, two Spider-Man. They are studying and guard the animals. In the other side we can see some pet animal. Here are some soldiers and here is the owner of animals. Some ducks, hens, cows and another cows. There are the two sides. Here is the sheep and two another sheep sides. Here are three soldiers. We can learn this animal's English name. Here is the leopard. They are big and tall. Here are the two lions. They are thirsty and bigger. Here are deer. Here is the one tiger. He is very hungry. Here is the horse. They big and looking nice. Here is the crocodiles. Crocodiles. He is very hungry. His tail is very big. And here is the, it is called zebra. It is white and black. So looking nice. Here is the another horse. Red horse. Here is the another deer. We can see here one of the best, the king of animal, lions. Here is the big animal tiger, and beside the tiger, leopard and lions, standing elephant. His teeth is so big and his leg is so fat. His body is very weighted and he is very big. He is look nice. We can see here all of the animals in one frame. Let's go. Near of the animals we can see a forest. Here is the forest, and so this hawk are watching these animals. They are standing here and some others. He is a Spider-Man. There are two Spider-Man and one Superman. Here is the another Hulk. They are watching the all animals. Hi friends, if you like this video, please like, subscribe and comments. Thank you to stay with us. Thank you to watch this video. Please subscribe.